Hi, and today's restore is a red diamond 10-inch pipe wrench made in May 1960. Before this, Garringtons used to make the Blackbird. They stopped in the late 50s and Red Diamond took over, Garrington's newer brand. This one is in reasonably good condition. It just has 60 years worth of dirt and grime on it. So let's get started with the clean. This is the top jaw. And if we change direction at which we approach the wire so that we get in every gap, nook and cranny and clean it really well. And now for the thumb wheel, which as I've said before is much easier mounted on a screwdriver. So I've pushed some red paint into the sunken lettering, give it a wipe off. Normally this takes about 2 coats to achieve a nice finish. Depending on the texture of the item, you'll put sometimes a cloth and sometimes just your thumb is good enough to remove the excess paint. This is the second coat of red going into this side. Okay, and that has filled that up nicely. Now, this is again what it looked like before and what it looks like now. I think the Garringtons Red, or Scoutcrafter Red as some of us call it, is just about right with the metal. Nice easy one thumb operation. Obviously beeswaxed up. So as I said, Garrington's changed to this design, the red diamond design, in the late 50s. Before was this, the Blackbird. I'm really not too sure which one I prefer the most. If you've got a favourite out of these two, please let me know in the comments section. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you again soon.